Militer Rusia memperbarui informasi operasi militer khusus di Ukraina, Jumat tanggal 29 April. Juru bicara militer Rusia Mayor Jenderal Igor Konashenkov merilis senjata berbasis udara jarak jauh presisi tinggi dari Angkatan Udara Rusia menghancurkan bangunan produksi rudal Artyom dan perusahaan ruang angkasa di Kiev. Serangan rudal kaliber di Kiev ini membuat kaget Sekjen PBB Antonio Guterres. Dilansir Reuters, Guterres syok dengan serangan ini. Rudal kaliber berbasis laut jarak jauh berpresisi tinggi juga telah menghancurkan 3 gardu listrik traksi di dekat pusat kereta Fastov, Krasnosyolka, dan Polonu. Sementara rudal berbasis udara presisi tinggi dari pasukan Dirgantara Rusia juga mengenai 10 aset militer Ukraina. Sasarannya 9 area konsentrasi tenaga kerja dan peralatan militer, serta 1 depot amunisi di dekat Ilyhovka. Sementara operasional taktis dan penerbangan militer Angkatan Udara Rusia telah menyerang 112 aset militer Ukraina. Ini termasuk 2 pos komando, 11 titik kuat, 95 area konsentrasi tenaga kerja dan peralatan militer, serta 4 depot senjata rudal dan artileri di Pokrovsko dan Gorokhovsko. Pasukan rudal telah menyerang 13 aset militer pada malam hari. 1 peluncur rudal Tokau Ukraina, dari mana serangan diluncurkan kemarin terhadap daerah pemukiman di kota Kherson, telah diidentifikasi dan dihancurkan di dekat Gorokhovsko, wilayah Nikolaev. Selain itu, 6 area konsentrasi tenaga dan peralatan militer Ukraina dan 3 baterai artileri angkatan bersenjata Ukraina dan 1 divisi peluncur roket ganda AFU dihancurkan, kata Majen Igor dikutip Tribun Timur.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision, long-range air-based weapons of the Russian aerospace forces have destroyed the production buildings of the Artyom missile and space enterprise in Kiev. High-precision, long-range sea-based Kalibr missiles have destroyed 3 traction power substations near Fastov, Krasnoselka and Polonna railway hubs. High-precision, air-based missiles of the Russian aerospace forces have hit 10 Ukrainian military assets. Among them, 9 areas of manpower and military equipment concentration, as well as 1 ammunition depot near Ilychovka. Operational tactical and dummy aviation of the Russian aerospace forces have hit 112 military assets of Ukraine. These include 2 command posts, 11 strong points, 95 areas of manpower and military equipment concentration, as well as 4 missile and artillery weapons depots in Pokrovskaya and Gorokhovskaya. Missile troops have hit 13 military assets during the night. 1 Ukrainian .U missile launcher, from which a strike was launched yesterday against residential areas in Kherson city, has been identified and destroyed near Gorokhovskaya Nikolaev region. In addition, 6 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration and 3 artillery batteries of the Ukrainian armed forces and 1 battalion of the Ukrainian multiple rocket launchers were destroyed. Artillery units have carried out 975 firing missions during the night. The neutralized targets are 21 command posts, 69 strong points, 763 areas of manpower and military equipment, and 107 artillery positions. The attacks have resulted in the elimination of more than 280 nationalists and up to 38 armored and motor vehicles. Russian air defense means have shot down 13 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles over Redko-Dub, Shrikovka, Nevskaya, Malaya Kamashevaka, Stepnoy Yar, Petrovskaya, Zelenoye Pole, Bukovo, Panteleimonovka, Makeevka, Chernobyevka, including 1 Bayraktar TB2 at the Russian-Ukrainian border near Novovodinoye. Also, 1 Ukrainian Smerch multiple launch rocket system missile was shot down near Kamenka. In total, 142 aircraft and 111 helicopters, 634 unmanned aerial vehicles, 278 anti-aircraft missile systems, 2,638 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 304 multiple launch rocket systems, 1,175 field artillery and motors, as well as 2,467 units of special military vehicles of the armed forces of Ukraine were destroyed during the operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!